Good morning, beauty babes, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today is a new day, and a new day means a new video. So y'all, as you guys already know by the title, I am going to do another prom look because prom is in 1 week, and I am super excited for prom. And I wanted to just keep this prom series going and give you guys some ideas for prom makeup. Anyway, y'all, if you are not subscribed to my channel, you should literally subscribe to my channel. It is this red thing that said subscribe, and hit the bell to know when I upload, because I don't have a schedule. I'm that bitch. But anyway, if you guys want to know how I get this look, keep on watching. Yeah, to start this look, I am going with my Spoiled Lip palette by Natalie. So colorful, so gorgeous, and those colors out there, just started doing that the moment I hit record. I'm gonna go with the lightest shade, well, not the lightest, but that one, to put all over my lid, to just set my concealer. So yo, how ya been? I am literally feeling. And do you guys like makeup or hair videos more? Because I really don't know. Anyway, y'all, I'm gonna go with the darkest shade, which is this dark brown right here. So cute, but you have to be careful because it's really hard to work with. And I'm gonna put it on the out of my eyes. And then blend it in. So yeah, I'm just gonna go and cut the crease with my Rimmel Stay Matte Concealer. I need glitter, so I'm gonna go with this glitter right here. You know what? I'm gonna use a flat brush. Gonna have purple in this. I'm gonna use the flat brush, and I'm gonna use this glitter. So yeah, I'm gonna go and do this eyes off camera, and I'll be right back. So yeah, I am back. I want a pop of color, so I'm gonna put some concealer right here. Oh yes, pop of orange, y'all. Need some lashes, but let's get on with my face first, y'all. I have this moisturizer oil here, so good, y'all. Left your face so fresh, and it smells real good too. Like, I am putting y'all on with this. Totally, go check it out. It's like in Walgreens, Walmart. Oh, that was gross. But yeah, guys, it's so good. Your face feels so good and so concealer. I can't even speak today. Concealer. Doop 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 doop. Bronzer. Oh, that was nice. That's brown. That's Chico, which I don't have any. So, ooh, snacks. Oh. Ooh. So good, girl. Anyway, back to makeup. Fuck out of here. Like, what do I want to know about your fucking food? Okay, highlights. We need some good ass highlight with this. Like, I need to buy like extras. Like, that was good. Sorry, y'all. Highlight on the nose. Ooh, blinding. Ooh. On the nose, on the nose, on the nose, on the nose, nose. Now, highlight the cheekbones. Oh, you see, you don't even need a lot, but because I am that bitch, let me blind y'all a little bit. Oh, yes. Papi chulo. Papi bean, let me bean. I don't fucking know the song, but Botele, Sariste, Tabante, do. Okay, this lip is the shit, y'all. I agree. Huh? People be so confusing under my come up good in your life, you just like have to let certain people out of your life. You know, it's just like sometimes you hold on to things that you're just not supposed to. You hold on to things that just aren't meant to be. You hold on to people that just literally treat you like trash. But because, you know, it's hard to lose a friendship, you know. Even if that friendship literally sucks, it's still hard to lose someone that you really care about. But sometimes you gotta be like, fuck it, it's time for me to be happy. It's time for me to find my way and do what I gotta do and not be judged about it. Cause like, y'all are getting older, and I'm guessing people that watch my video are like teenagers or like middle schoolers. Anyway, if you are, guys, if you know that a person is not good for you, it's not making you happy, or like a friendship is not working out, let them go. It is really not worth it putting your life, your happiness on the line. Like, sometimes you gotta be selfish and just think about you, because it's 2019. You have to stop thinking about other people and start thinking about your own happiness. All the worry, all the apologizing, you know, I've had to apologizing for being me, or like for doing something, or like for making a mistake so many times that I got tired of it, you know. I got tired of hiding who I am, got tired of just not being true to who I am, or like hiding my feelings because they're going to hurt someone. While on the other hand, they are doing so many hurtful things to me that I don't even know how to explain it, or I don't even know how to put it in words. But because I'm so afraid that I'm going to lose that friendship that I really, really, really like so much. It's like sometimes you gotta be like, okay, suck it up. There are like other people out there waiting for you, waiting to be loved by you, waiting to be cared, waiting to care about you. But because you are stuck in the past, you are stuck with this same negativity in your life, you can't move on. Cause yeah, what we know, I am 17. Like, if you guys read my bio, I mean my down the description, whatever they call it, y'all know that. I am 17, and I'm graduating. You know, I have 10 days left of being a high school student. And for some reason, I can't seem to enjoy that. Like, yes, I am happy that I am leaving school. Happy that I will not have to wake up so motherfucking early to go to school. But at the same time, I am sad. Like, I am sad. And, you know, I have come to realize that it's the people in my life. They are making me sad. Because I keep having to apologizing for something that I do or something that I didn't do. And I got really sick and tired of it. So, just yesterday, I made a decision. I can't even fucking speak. I made a decision to blog everyone that literally make me feel bad about myself. It made me feel bad about what I'm doing, who I am, and how I feel. And that was the best damn thing I've ever done in my life. You know, you just gotta stop waiting for something to happen and make it happen yourself. I've wasted my time, I wasted my energy in so many people, trying to be a good friend, trying to be a good girlfriend, and I forgot who I was, who I am, what I want to be, who I want to be, you know. And it's never a good feeling. This is the final look. And you guys saw I was putting lashes on, put a pop of color, nude lip. If you guys want to go all out, you can put a different eye, like look color, or like a different pop eye. Go for it, sis. No one is judging you. And my lashes is fucking annoying. Okay, this is it. Honestly, hope you guys like this video, and if you give it a thumbs up and comment down below what you think. And don't forget, if you're doing create this look for prom, totally type me on Instagram. I'll leave it right here or down below. And I hope you guys really like it, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.